Good morning, students. Welcome back. 13th part of thermodynamic. In this part, I am going to explain the concept is second law of thermodynamic. Now, second law of thermodynamic. The second law of thermodynamic is explain the various forms. It says that in the various forms. Now, I am going to explain first one, that is, it cannot flow from colder body to hotter body its own. Means it cannot flow from lower body means colder body to hotter body, or means cold to hot, never its own. Now similarly, it cannot be converted into completely work without causing some permanent change, some internal work. Without work means it cannot converted into complete work. It can utilize some internally some other works, there is some other permanent changes, and also all spontaneous process are thermodynamically irreversible. There means they are only one side. For example, the water can flow up to down, that is a spontaneous process, and also the heat can flow from higher body to colder body, high temperature to low temperature. These are the all spontaneous and reversible process, one direction. Now in this process, the entropy of system always increases. In the spontaneous process, in irreversible process, entropy of system is always increases. Spontaneous process, entropy of system is increases, and also irreversible process also entropy of system is increases. And also it is impossible to construct the machine to working in a cyclic and transformation from lower temperature region to higher temperature region without intervention of the any external agency, without doing any work. It cannot supply the temperature, lower temperature to region to higher temperature region. It means that it is we have to do extra work, then only it is possible. Now in this case by knowing Carnot cycle, we can explain the Carnot cycle. First one we can take, that is source of heat at, that is a T2, and it transfer to heat, that is Q2. It is a now engine. It is a engine. Now here engine that work will do, that is the change the work, what is it, Q2 minus Q1. Now it supplies to it, that is a minus Q1. It is a sink at temperature is T1. From this diagram we will explain Carnot cyclic. The Carnot cyclic is a reversible engine. It is a reversible engine having so many isothermal and adiabatic process. This one is having so many isothermal process and adiabatic process are present, such that after the process, after this process, the engine returns to its original state. Let us we can take as there is a Q2 P heat absorbed. Q2 is a B with a heat absorbed by the engine. From the source of heat at T2. Now you see the engine, it is the engine that returns its original state. In this case, let the Q2 is the heat is absorbed engine. It is absorbed the engine from the source of the heat at a source where it is present T2. In the T2 case, Q2 is heat is absorbed to engine. From the diagram only we are explaining. Now in this one, and minus Q1B, the heat is lost to the sink. Means like surroundings at T1 temperature. Now in this case, the temperature is highest is T2 greater than T1. Entropy always increases. In this case, now we know from the diagram, engine to sink between energy is lost. How much? Q1 loss indicated minus. Now it is the Q1 is lost. Then the sink where it is lost means it is going to the sink like surroundings. How they are going to systems to surrounding. The it is going to, it is a system. These are the surroundings going to out. It's where it is at T1 temperature. Now in this case, T1 is greater than T2. The entropy of the system is always increase in this process. Now here the work is equal to, we can write the work is equal to symbol we can write as Q2 minus Q1. Now this one we can write as efficiency of Carnot engine. That is efficiency of Carnot engine we can write as work by heat absorbed. Now in this one, the efficient symbol we can write neta is equal to Q2 minus Q1 by and Q2. This is also we can write T2 minus T1 by and T1, because of T2 is the source is T2, Q2 is source is T2, Q1 source is T1. Then we can write in place of Q1 and T1 and T2. T2 is Q2 is T2, T1 is Q2, that is a T2. And this is also we can write as one more, that is way 1 minus T1 by T2. Also we can write neta is equal, that is a neta is equal 1 minus T1 by T2. Also we can write, otherwise neta is equal 1 minus Q1 by Q2. Also we can write. This is the formulas are very important for the calculation. And also if since neta is greater than 1, thus it is impossible to convert converted into equivalent of work. If neta is equal to 1, thus engine 100% efficiency, 100% efficiency at minus 273 kelvins.